What are you eating? Come here. No. Come here. I'm at the farm on the hill again, but I got Nellie with me. She's having her first camp. I really want to do wild camping with her, but I thought we'd come somewhere like this. It's if there's an issue, it's not far from home. I can always bug out if necessary. The spot I normally come to is taken. That seems to be a... Now what's up here? What's this? Nothing. Come on. So we're just having a bit of a walk around. So we're in a tent, put a tarp up. Come on now. This is a nice little one as well. Those are nice little spots on this campsite. That's a nice one. But I'm set up now. Got my mic on, my new DJI Mini 2. Now, it says here, family field. Let's go and have a look at this. Nellie, stop pulling. Desperate she is. Come on then, Nutter. Come on, Nutter. Come on. Leave whatever it is. Come on. Right, so there's a path that leads up the back of the pitches here. It goes down there. By the looks of it. These were the cows that were. So up here is the family field. She's having a right good sniff. Now, let's go up here. Let's go have a look at this. Come on. She's loving life. I love life. If you ever get peed off, depressed, tired, fed up, just get a dog. They don't allow you to be sad. What a gorgeous evening. Come on, Nalsies. Let's go and have a look in the family field. Oh, there's bloody rabbits. Hey up. This is the family field. Smell wood smoke. This is the family field. It's nice now. Come on. It keeps eating grass and stuff. Come on, Nutter. This way. These taps dotted around. Nellie's a bit nervous if it works. There you go. Fresh water. So you got fresh water dotted around. She's loving it. All these smells, it's so great. I love smelling things. This is one of the long drop toilets. So, I'll show you. Now, wait there. This is a long drop toilet. There you go. You basically use sawdust and it goes underneath into a big container. No smell. Use the sawdust. Ecologically far better than using loads of water. Come on then. Come on then. Go find where these showers are. Dad's never seen these showers. It's the showers here. Right, there's a tank there. This way. Let's go down. Come. Come on. Good girl. She's been down on a push bike. This. The showers. Yeah. Where is it? Let's go have a look. Dad, come. Oh, gas powered. I mean, if you're here for a night, you're not going to bother, are you? But where is it now? Where are we? Come on then. Let's go this way. You're getting all tangled. Come on. No, not that side. This side. Oh, I'll go that side then. Come on. This way. Come on. Come on. There's the showers. There's the gas tank at the back. Some kind of water container. Wild garlic coming up. Start to smell it. Last of the bluebells. Properly coming into summer now. So there's these like big pitches, so you could put, you know, 10 tents in here, maybe 5, give you a bit. And then she's cut these logs down as seats. Put proper fire pits in every pitch. And you can buy logs here. Old tables and stuff dotted around. But yeah, it's pretty level. Considering it's farm on the hill. Come on now, this way. Yeah, you can sit here at night. Just what a cracking view, you know. I think if I come, I'd probably have to bring me Portaloo for the family. The boys would be alright, men would be alright in the toilets. I don't know whether the women would. Come on! What are you doing? Don't know, Nellie's going to go on with the fire pit. Cows, let's go have a look. See what she does. Come on now, stop eating the rabbit poo. Come here then. What is it now? What is it? Does he want to say hello? Does he want to say hello? Oh, he's big. They're big, aren't they? Aren't they big? Come say hello. Come say hello then. Did you want to play? Did you want to play? What are they? Oh, the nice muck house. Oh, they're beautiful. They're the beautiful cows. Say hello. They're nice. Come here. Look. Looking nice. Yeah, look. No. It's okay. Look. Look. Oh, he's nice. Hello. They're massive. Okay, it's all right. Stop it, Nellie. They're okay, Nellie. You're okay. They won't hurt you. They won't hurt you. They're beautiful. Oh, girls. Take it, you girls. You got wonky horns. I think Yeah, you girls. Don't you girls like you? Girlies? Oh. What? Are you impressed with cows? What are they? Nellie's not impressed with cows. Oh, they're a bit big. Oh, the moo cows. The moo cows are nice. They're nice. Look, having a scratch. Oh, moo. Moo. She's really not sure. What are they? Are they moo cows? Yeah, tell them. Oh, that's it. I'm so brave. I'm so brave. Nellie in the fire pit. So they planted all these trees about 2 years ago around the pitches up here. They're large, I don't know. But they really obviously offer a lot of protection from the wind. Come on then. Now, this way. Where's it? Stop eating your lead. Where's it? Come on then. So, now he's made a friend. I have seen this dog before. Got to be careful because I don't know when she's coming in season. Come on now. Come on now. Let's go back to the tent. Come on. So, Nellie's just seen her first campfire. I'm just doing a time lapse of the sun going down. It's going a bit cool. And little girl's all snuggly. Let me show you. You all snuggled up in your bed, little girl. She's all very snuggly. She's more snuggly than me, aren't you? Her dad had to look after her. Why do we talk to dogs like the babies? I've no idea why. It's going to get down to about 7 degrees, I think, tonight. I don't know what the temperature is now, but it's gone cool. But I'm going to have a fire for an hour or so, and I'll probably go to bed early. I'll put my lights up. I want to wait and see what my lights are like. It is 20:39, which is officially sunset now. And it's the 11th, is it, of May, I think. Still cool. Expect it to be warmer. Fire's lit. Sun's gone down, waiting for it to go dark. Put me ambient lighting on. Little girlie has just been sniffing the fact that I've got burgers out the bag. She's all snuggly on her bed. I bought her a big thick blanket. Nellie, you're a beautiful girl, aren't you? No, you're not having my food. They're half warm it up when you're underneath this tarp. Makes a hell of a difference. It's lovely. Me and me bestie camping. Nellie's first time. You good girl. is it now? Who's there? Yeah, some animals. Where is it? Where is it? You telling them off? Good girl. Who's it? Woke me up nice and early, didn't you? Tons of condensation inside that damn tent, just making a brew. And then during the night, Nellie climbing on my head. But I think she was warm enough, and so was I. I could have done with the lion. I've been up early courtesy this madam with her great guard dog skills. Alright, I'm going to have a brew. Right, now, come say bye-bye. Who's this? Who's this? That's you. Mucky chops. She's been digging holes, haven't you? Right, I think Nellie's enjoyed it. Say she woke me up at 6 o'clock this morning. She wanted to pee and I needed to pee, so that was it. That was up, 6:30, sitting outside making a coffee. But she did quite well. She settled down. I woke up a few times making sure she was covered up and warm because it went quite cold last night. But she's got a big thick fur coat and I think she enjoyed it. She's enjoyed walking around the site and sniffing and playing and digging and everything else. I'm glad she enjoyed it. So next time I think it's going to have to be a wild camp with her. Just in a small tent, see how she goes on. But yeah, as always, cracking night up here as it always is. And obviously until next time, stay safe.